Bernabeu in Madrid. I'm Derek Ray, and I'm joined for expert analysis by Stuart Robson. And we have action from the second leg in the round of 16 coming right up. It's Real Madrid up against Arsenal.
Well, Derek, it's all to play for here. This is going to be a really fascinating second leg. But I've just got a feeling Arsenal will play well tonight and make the most of their slender lead.
And here's the starting 11 for Real Madrid. Thibaut Courtois is in goal. Carvajal starts with Ferland Mendy in the fullback positions. Luka Modric plays with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch. And the lead striker today is Karim Benzema. Superb block. Asensio. And with tackling like that, the onus is on the referee to take action potentially. We're going to see the first yellow card of the game. The referee not standing on ceremony.
Well, he's under pressure now. It's a long time to be on a booking.
Just wanted to get it out of there. Really closing him down. Karim Benzema, who's played at such a high level in an attacking sense for so long. Stuart, what do you anticipate seeing from him here?
Well, Derek, he's a great all-round player. It's his ability to run in behind defenders that makes him such a threat. And when he gets 1v1 against the goalkeeper, he usually scores.
And an effective clearance. Modric. Chance here. In the opinion of the referee, that is a penalty. Well, his name and number have been taken
to give the yellow card.
Taking aim from the spot and finding the target.
Well, here it is again. The keeper tries to rig the penalty, but in the end he just makes no effort whatsoever. That's a strange decision.
Overall, in this tie, it is 2-2. Just straying offside. Not a good pass. Martin Ødegaard. Oh, dealt with by the goalkeeper. And there's the delivery. Has he got a score? Oh, surely. What a powerful effort, but not threatening the goalkeeper, and he'll be disappointed. Real find themselves in a position of menace. Not out of the woods yet. And he succeeds in scraping it off the line. Vinicius. Still possibilities. And thumped away.
Well, that was a magnificent save. Just how did he keep that out? That's incredible.
Another good tackle. And Real got away with it. Passing. Arsenal could threaten from this position. Thomas. Oh, it's gone in! And I'll tell you what, that could be highly significant in the grand scheme of the tie.
Well, just look at this again. He moves the ball quickly, he gets beyond his marker, and he keeps his composure. It's an excellent finish.
Well, plenty of goals if you look at the aggregate. 3-2 here. Martin Ødegaard. Committed challenge. Benzema seducing with his passing. Oh, he saved it!
Well, excellent from the keeper. That's a really top-class save.
Bukayo Saka. Arsenal move it forward with purpose and control. Good work to win the ball back high up the pitch. Going about his defensive business with a minimum of fuss. It might be perfectly set up for the counter-attack, you know. And he's through here. And denied by the post. Well, threat about it. Vinicius Junior. And blocked for now. And the first half is in the history books. Second half excitement to come, we hope, here at the Bernabeu. Making excellent progress with the ball at his feet. But a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. Useful looking ball. And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save.
Well, it's been a while, but these fans are now coming to life. Can they equalise here?
And he did what he had to do defensively. Modric. Oh, that's a really good run. And a goal it is. And what a significant one. They're locked together again. You just can't divide these two teams. And extra time, a real possibility.
Here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease. It's just a change of pace. And then what a finish. That's been hit with such power and pace. The keeper has no time to react. It's a brilliant strike.
Sheer entertainment. 3-3 on aggregate. Promising sequence. Oh, he's through here. Oh, denied by the keeper.
Well, what more can you say? That's goalkeeping at its very best.
Over it comes. The clearance wasn't decisive. Tremendous block. Now shot happy here. And gobbled up with ease by the keeper. 30 minutes left for play. Well, spot on with that challenge. Well, he could really get at the opposition. He'll be delighted to have won the ball, having made that difficult challenge. Kieran Tierney. They could pick out a teammate. Well, the crossing needs to be a bit better than that. Oh, surely! Well, that's really sound goalkeeping, not letting the opposition have any scraps. Vinicius Junior. On to Benzema. Arsenal have possession again. Sustained pressure, and now they have the ball. Into the advanced position. It's always likely to be the goalkeeper's ball. Error from the keeper. Will they seize on it? And with that, the attack fizzles out. Now can they counter clinically? And with the teams locked together, Arsenal chasing and chasing that winner. Really high-class goalkeeping from Courtois. And time for the change now. So they're going to play into the box. And it's short with the clearance. And I think the threat has been averted. He's in behind. Firing is in. Well, able to close down the shot. Bukayo Saka.
Well, the fans are certainly having their say. Just listen to them. They thought that was a penalty.
Getting in there to intercept. The referee has decided there will be just 1 minute of added time. Arsenal remain on the front foot. Can they find a winning goal? Well, that's it for the 90 minutes, but this is not over. Well, back underway here, and it's quite simple. Both teams must steel themselves for 30 extra minutes. Partey. Well-timed tackle. And the ball taken forward by Toni Kroos. He has options around him, and it will be a free kick to Real Madrid. And fired from the flank into the area. It comes to absolutely nothing. Martin Ødegaard will take it away. He won the ball. Not giving their opponents a moment's peace. Clear foul, but a Real... Oh, what an opportunity! Well, flinging himself at it. Let's see about the delivery. Plastered away. Rodrigo. Oh, bruising past him. Gives it a go. It's still alive. And relief as the keeper holds on.
Well, he reacts so quickly, doesn't he? That's a great bit of work from him.
Well, unfortunately, he couldn't keep the shot down. Well, just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages here. Just failing to hit the target with his pass, and it'll be a throw-in. The first period of extra time is over. 15 minutes left. Well, the drama continues to unfold. Second period of extra time now. Saka. Now showing fine vision. Well, the decision is offside, and he's bound to be a bit disappointed.
Well, he's actually made his run before his teammate had control of the ball, and that's why it's offside.
Level pegging, but can they change that? Oh, should have done so much better from there. El Neni. Good play it in. This looks interesting. Credit to them for winning back possession. Time is fast running out. 5 minutes left in the second period of extra time here. Vinicius! Unable to close down the shot. There will be 1 minute added on at the end. Has a go. And fine goalkeeping. It always had the potential to go the distance, and it has, so... Shootout. And he's beaten the keeper. Low and accurate, that penalty. Can he convert? And confidently converted. Job done from the spot. And there it is, perfectly executed. Well, he's gone for finesse, and it's really paid off. Clinical as always, in front of goal. Can he remain calm? And it's gone in. Goalkeeper beaten from the spot. Well, the responsibility is on his shoulders. Failure to score, and they lose. He saved it to make certain of their presence in the next round.
Well, the pressure was on the taker here, but it's still a very good save at such a key moment. No wonder he's pleased with himself.